What's the meaning of conceptual? Conceptual. Conceptual.
Conceptual. Conceptual. The term conceptual refers to the abstract, intangible or theoretical aspects of a particular subject matter. It relates to ideas and concepts rather than physical or practical things. In essence, it deals with the understanding of ideas or principles rather than their practical implementation. For example, a conceptual artist might focus more on expressing their ideas visually rather than creating a physical object. The emphasis is on the idea or concept behind the work, rather than the visual representation of it. Overall, conceptual thinking involves abstract reasoning, critical analysis, and creative problem solving.